morning. Okay, so it may not be morning where you're at, but I'm here to talk to you about a very important subject. It's called mattress money, okay? Now, the reason why I want to talk to you about it is that a lot of people don't realize that you cannot use mattress money when you buy a house. And you may say, hey, Tish, what is mattress money? Mattress money is actually money that people have sitting around the house. Now, in order for you to buy a house, you have to prove to the bank that you have the money to do so. Now, it can be in your checking account, your savings account, you can have a money market, or even your retirement account. But it can't just be sitting at home. We need that money to be seasoned. So if you are thinking about buying a home and you've got some money sitting around the house, you might want to put that in the bank and then let it sit there for a couple of months, and then we can use that money in your transaction. Other than that, you might have to look at getting a gift or taking from your retirement, but you do need to show that you've got that money to support this transaction, because unless you do, we can't close your loan. So that's what I wanted to talk to you about today. Hope that helps you.